You notice after about 20 minutes you start playing game on your Windows PC, the FPS starts dropping. Here is what you can do to fix this issue as soon as possible. First, you need to go to the taskbar by right clicking on the taskbar on settings. Make sure that you disable every startup app that comes up here. If they are enabled, make sure that you disable everything. This is why your computer is running slowly or lagging while playing game on your device. Any of these startup apps that you don't use, just right click on it, then click on disable to disable it. The next thing you have to do is very simple. Click on the start button, tap on settings, click on app, then come to the install app. Then any of these install app, just locate and click on this three dot here, then click on advanced. When you get to advanced, go to background permission, click on this button and turn it to never. So repeat all this for all the apps you have on your device. This will prevent this app from running in the background, thereby preventing your computer from lagging and boosting the FPS on your laptop. The next thing you have to do is to come to this place, right click on the start button, click on run. So inside run box, type in powercfg.cpl, hit the enter button. So it comes out like this. Make sure that you select the highest performance on the battery. So this will improve your gaming activities on your computer. With this guys, you will be able to fix the FPS not working perfectly on your device. That's all. Let me know if you're able to achieve this, and don't forget to like and share. See you soon guys on our next video.